Hello friends, my name is Yuri Kovalenok. Today a little bit about Arduino. I found this sensor which is called soil moisture sensor. I did a small project with this sensor. See how this device works. If you have musical abilities, then you can make a kind of musical instrument out of this. So friends, I also opened a group in Telegram. You will find the link in the description of this video. I invite you to also follow in Telegram. In Telegram I will log out the program codes. If you have any suggestion, please write about it in the comments. Do not forget about my notes, which are also available at the link in the description of this video. That's all for today. 2 new projects or 2 new solutions to problems, all by sincerely Yuri Kovalenok.